Hello everyone, today I'm going to keep this short because I have a bad cold. Not that cold, but bad. I made this recipe to resemble old black and white newspapers. I remember my father bringing them home every morning when I was little. The prints were so bad, but they had something about them. I finished this recipe just before going on a trip to Granada with some friends. The perfect opportunity to test it. I hope you enjoy the photos and the recipe.